Good afternoon, student. Today we start progressive pattern. So we have to see how the progressive pattern is start. The progressive pattern is the one that increases or decreases by a certain amount at each step. Okay, it decreases or increases at certain amount. Here what you see, it increases by 1 and 1. Okay, and here what you see, it decreases by 1 and 1. Okay, so it decreases by 1 and it increases by 1. This is a progressive pattern in figure 1. So we can see this progressive pattern in numbers also. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. It increases by 2, then it increases by 2, like it is going to a 2, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 16, it is going on doubling. Okay, it is going on doubling, means the number is double itself. So without wasting our time, we start here with exercise 16.2. So there are two questions, A and B. In question number A, we have to identify the progressive pattern in the given figure, and then we have to go ahead. You have to solve this A and B in your copy. For A, I have solved one question, and for B, I solved 4 questions for you, and rest you solve by yourself. So let's we move ahead. So for 1, I have made the pattern like this. What you observe here, there is 3, and in next figure become 4. In down side 1 more, means it increases in both side 1 1. Here also it become 4, here 5, and here 3. So in next figure, this 5 becomes 6, like this. 1 block, 2 block, 3 block, 4, 5. So it becomes 6 blocks, and now here we have to make 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. Okay. So this is the next figure. So you have to make it by scale and with proper what you call with proper distance. Okay. It is looking nicely, not roughly. You have to make it properly. Okay, because I'm not using scale, that's why it is looking like this. And next figure is, again it is 6 here. Now we have to make here 7. It is 7 boxes here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now it is 7 boxes, and here it is 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. So here 5 boxes. So like this it going on. Okay, in my page it is not too much space, that's why I go downside. As you solve in the that math copy, it is long side, so you can solve it properly. You solve in one line, otherwise you go with here also. So number B, we have to find the pattern first, and then we add the next number here. So in B, what you find here, it increases by 2. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. So what, again we have to add it. 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 13. So what you see here, observation, if you observe it, what you observe here, it multiplies by 5 times. 1 plus 1, 1 5 the 5, 5 5 the 25, 25 5 the 125, 125 5 the 625, 625 5 the, we have to multiply it. Okay, 625 5 the, it is, we multiply it 5 5 25 2 10 12 1 3125. Here it is going on half, 32 half is 30, 64 half is 32, 32 half is 16, 16 half is 8, 8 half is 4, 4 half is 2, like it going on. And here what you see, 1, then it becomes 2, 5, 14. So it when you observe very carefully, what you observe, what is different between them, 1 here, 3 here, 9, means it is going on 3 times. Okay now, so I write here plus 1 plus 3 plus 9. So what you add here, suppose difference between them is 139. 1 it multiplied, 1 multiplied by 3, it becomes 3, 3 multiplied by 9, 9 3 is 27. So we add 27 in 14, it is 11, 2 3 4, 41. Okay, then again 27, 3 here. So you have to add 81 to 41. Okay, so it is 81. So how I know, because we have to observe the difference very carefully. there may be what you call different ways to solve this. So the method comes in my mind, I tell to you. Okay, you can use different methods if you if comes in your mind, but it be correct. Okay, no? Your answer must be correct. So here what we get here 2 and here 12. That is 1 2 2. So let's check the answer, isn't it correct or not. So we go here. So you see in 10th number it is 41 and 22. We also get 41 and 22. So like this you can solve. First you solve, then you see the answer. Okay. So that's all for today. In this video session we discuss exercise 16.2. In next session we discuss about triangular number and square number. It's very important, and please you read it as a homework also. We continue. I explain some concept about triangular number and square number, then we continue from exercise 16.3. That's all for today. Thank you.